can see all obstacles in my way. And gone are the dark clouds that once made me blind. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. That's for tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. But I think I can make it now that the rain is gone. All of my bad feelings have disappeared. Here's the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. Yeah, it's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. I look all around you, there's nothing but blue sky. Oh, look straight ahead, yeah, there's nothing but blue. Oh, I think I can make it now that the rain is gone. All of my bad feelings have disappeared. Here is a rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. Now look all around you, there's nothing but blue sky. Oh, look straight ahead, yeah, there's nothing but blue. Lord, I can see clearly now that the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that once made me blind. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. Lord, God's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. God's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. God's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Bright, sunshiny day. Everybody get together, give a big hand for tomorrow. Say, bright, sunshiny day. Oh, you're looking good. Say, bright, sunshiny day. I love it in Colorado. Say something. Bright, yeah, sunshiny day. Lord, I think we're getting a little closer. See it, so bright, yeah, sunshiny day. Here we go. Oh, it's gonna be bright, bright, sunshiny day. Yeah, it's gonna be bright, sunshiny day. we had a song worked out that I was going to do and kind of keep it low key, but I don't get a chance to work with this man over here, Mr. Jeffrey Morris, probably one of the finest pickers in the country. Boy, I got this poison in my body, I gotta get out. I know it's the Telluride Bluegrass Festival, but we're gonna cut the artsy-crassy crap.